You are probably rolling your eyes right now. So many people have misused the term fountain of youth. And I want to be upfront. This is not going to turn a middle-aged woman into a teenage dream. But it is one of the most powerful, life-changing anti-aging protocols on the planet. There is a missing component in the modern world that is causing everyone, especially here in the United States, to age faster than they should. This component is vital for your vitality, your libido, your immune system, your moods, and your skin, hair, and nails. It's pretty easy to look around and see that many people are being affected by this. And you know what? I used to be one of them. I never will forget. Years ago, I got my blood work done, and I was stunned to find out that I was severely deficient in minerals. Yes, minerals are the key to the fountain of youth. How could this be, I thought to myself. I eat more fresh fruits and vegetables than anyone I know. If I am deficient, then everyone I know is deficient. Of course, now I know that it is a known fact that here in the United States, as well as other parts of the world, the soil is extremely, dangerously deficient in most macro and micro minerals. I was shocked to discover that all the way back in 1936, the U.S. Senate Document 264 pointed out that the Earth's soils had become dangerously depleted of minerals. The 1992 Rio Earth Summit reported the same dire issue. I sure wish someone, anyone, maybe my doctor, would have told me about this. Fruits and vegetables do not produce minerals. They uptake them from the soil. But of course, if they are not in the soil to begin with, then they will not be in your fruits and vegetables. Nothing will age you faster than mineral deficiency. We humans require 90 essential nutrients, vitamins, minerals, and essential enzymes in optimal levels every day in order to prevent birth defects, chronic and life-threatening disease, criminal behavior, and premature aging. Scientists know that humans have the genetic ability to live 120 to 140 years, but sadly, the average American life expectancy is just 75.5 years. According to research, lack of minerals is the biggest reason we are not reaching our life expectancy potential. Don't worry though, you are going to learn the story behind the real fountain of youth and what you can do to make sure you get your minerals.